Dear God, I bring before you all the pain, worry, and heaviness I carry. Lord, I ask for your healing touch, for comfort in times of sadness, and hope to rise in my heart. Remind me that even in the darkest valleys, your presence is with me. Strengthen me when I'm weak. Uplift me when I feel discouraged, and surround me with your love and protection. May my heart rest in you, trusting that you are always faithful. Let me feel your light and hope even in moments of doubt, and guide me gently towards peace and joy. Amen.